Hello friends, I'm trying to post this video for all of you who are the aspirants for the UGC NET of December 2018. Since I've given my paper on 21st December 2018, in the second half, I will try and discuss the paper with you. Okay friends? And it was a great and awesome experience for the first time that we all will experience now. Rather, I have experienced and you will experience for the online. It was very good. All the earlier problems which the students faced regarding once you mark the question, it was not possible to erase it back because the OMR system was there. But now you can always change the answers with respect to how your mind goes on, how you recollect all your things which you have learned. Okay, I'll start with my paper. There are different sections, as you all know, 10 different sections of paper 1 in the NET UGC paper. The first is research and methodology. The questions which appeared for my exam were regarding the variables. So please focus on the different types of variables: independent, dependent, what is the relationship between them, what is the co-relationship between them, how they are used in the research methodology. So please focus on the variables. Apart from the variables, also go into the depth of the origin of different kinds of methodologies. For example, the origin of heuristic methodology, who had started it. So that question appeared for me also. Apart from research, different questions from environment had come. For example, if the rainforest, a hypothetical question was posted rather, and it was regarding, say, if the rainforest in the Amazons are cut, the options were what would be the long-term effect. First option given was that there will be a decrease in the flood. Okay, decrease in the flood in the low-lying areas, first option. Second option was that there will be an increase in the rate of rain. Third option was that there will be increase in the rate of soil erosion, and fourth was none of the above. So it will be clear for you to understand what will be the answer. So one question of environment. Again, another question which was there on environment was regarding a date. So different kinds of, say, what is the ozone day or what is the science day, please go into the details of that too. Apart from environment, I'll now move on to, say, mathematics, reasoning, analogy. Two questions from percentages had come, pure percentages questions. The questions were number of students in X state and Y state, those who have passed, those who have passed, selected and appeared. They had asked me in the paper the number of students who had failed in different years. They had given me 4 years, say 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, and you can easily understand and then also answer those questions. So focus on percentages. Apart from that, syllogisms, 2 questions were there. So this is about, and reasoning also, and 1 question from relation. So a person standing there pointing towards a picture. So the same, if you have practiced those questions, you will easily answer those questions. Okay friends, apart from that, comprehension, reading and comprehension, 3 questions were asked. They were simple, but you have to, I'll suggest you that you read the comprehension passage completely at least once so that you can answer it easily. You don't have to first go to the questions and then go to the options, but better read the passage, understand it. So it will take hardly 3 to 4 minutes if you are into that conditioning of your mind of reading passages. I hope you have done that earlier. Okay, so you can easily answer those 3 questions also. Then for the first time they had asked something about the Constitution of India. That is, the question they had asked me was, where does the untouchability in the Indian Constitution lie? And the options were Article 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer was very clear, Article 17. Hope you go through your constitution as well. Then the questions on the higher education they have asked. The questions were, who has signed the Washington Accord? The Indian body. For example, options were UGC, NAC, Higher Council of Education, and one more option was there. I don't remember it now, but The answer is clear, or you will try and find out that. Washington Accord, don't forget this, Washington Accord. Another question on higher education was asked that the secondary education from the following options, where does there is a link between secondary education, Rashtriya Uच्च Madhyamik or the Madhyamik. Such options whether you can easily identify if you have gone at least once through the government schemes, programs, and the website web portal. Do visit once the higher education web portal of the government of India. Okay, friends. And finally, yes, uh, the paper can be completed within 60 minutes. Don't leave any answer unanswered. At least mark and review that question and try and answer each and every question. That is, all the 50 questions should be attempted by you. So all the best, friends. I hope and I'm confident that I'll clear this time's net as well as JRF. So hope you will also do it. All the best, friends.